1. Easy bar preacher curl. This one's a pure biceps isolation move. All the tension stays locked on your biceps, no cheating, no swinging. You can hit it on a preacher machine or with an EZ bar. Focus on the long head of the biceps, squeeze at the top, and chase that pump. Stick to 3 sets of 10 to 12 clean representatives. 2. Incline dumbbell curl. Here's another isolation killer. Set your bench to about an 80-degree incline, plant your feet flat, and let those arms hang. Because of the angle, you can't cheat, your biceps are under constant tension. Go lighter, keep the form tight, and hit 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives, resting about a minute between sets. 3. Barbell spider curl. Now we're targeting the short head of the biceps. Lie face down on an incline bench with your chest supported and curl with a barbell or dumbbells. Every rep locks your body in place, no momentum, no shortcuts. Just pure bicep contraction. Squeeze at the top for 1 to 2 seconds and feel the burn. 4. Dumbbell hammer curl. Start light with a warm-up set, then go heavier. Hammer curls don't just blow up your biceps, they also hit the brachialis and forearms for that thicker, fuller arm look. Keep the movement strict, 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives, and increase the weight gradually each set. 5. Reverse grip cable curl. A perfect finisher that hits both biceps and forearms. Stand tall, grab the cable bar with a reverse grip, just wider than shoulder width, and curl under control. This will torch your grip strength and detail your arms. Push through 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. 6. Wide grip EZ bar curl. End strong with a wide grip curl. Going wider shifts the load onto the inner biceps for that rounder, fuller look. Use an EZ bar or Olympic bar, stay strict with your form, and keep it controlled. Go for 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives to lock in the pump.